We use the simple past to talk about actions that happened in the past and were completed in the past. For example, she went to the supermarket. I visited my friends yesterday. And I watched a good movie last night. Some words that we usually use when we are talking about the past are yesterday, last, ago, and before. When we are speaking in past in an affirmative way, the only thing that we need to do is conjugate the verb in simple past. For example, the verb go, the simple past conjugation is went. The verb think, in past, it is thought. The verb end, in past, it is ended. And the verb ride, in past, it is rode. Let's create now some complete sentences. Example number 1, the movie ended 20 minutes ago. The movie ended 20 minutes ago. Example number 2, she thought he was at home, but he wasn't. Again, she thought he was at home, but he wasn't. And example number 3, I rode my bike to school yesterday. I rode my bike to school yesterday. But when you are speaking in past and your sentence is negative, you need to use the auxiliary did. You can use the formal way, did not, or the more casual way, that is the contraction, didn't, didn't, didn't. When we create negative sentences in past, we use the auxiliary did, didn't, right? And the verb goes in the simple form. I mean in infinitive. For example, she didn't go to school. She didn't go to school. I didn't play soccer. I didn't play soccer. And they didn't cook. They didn't cook. All of these sentences are in past. We are using the auxiliary did in negation, didn't, didn't, or did not. And the verbs are in the simple form, in infinitive. Go, play, and cook. Let's continue now with the questions in simple past. When we are creating questions in simple past, we need to use the auxiliary did, later the subject, and later the verb. Remember that the verb is always in the infinitive way, in the simple form. Cook, play, visit, think. For example, did she go to school? Did she go to school? Second question, did they study yesterday? Did they study yesterday? And the last question, did you visit your family last weekend? Did you visit your family last weekend? To answer these yes-no questions, we usually say yes, no, and later the auxiliary. For example, if it is positive, you say I did or yes, I did. Did you go to school yesterday? Yes, I did. Or I did. It was really nice. And if it is negative, for example, hey, did you visit your friends last weekend? You will say, I didn't. I had other things to do. Now let's practice together. I will say a sentence in the present and you will say it in the past. Sentence number 1, I go to school. I go to school. Sentence number 2, she eats pizza every day. She eats pizza every day. Sentence number 3, we don't watch TV. We don't watch TV. Let's practice now the pronunciation for these sentences. Sentence number 1, I went to school. I went to school. Sentence number 2, she ate pizza. She ate pizza. Sentence number 3, we didn't watch TV. We didn't watch TV. The best way to learn the past is to talk about your day. So try this. Before bed, say 3 things you did during the day in English. For example, I visited my parents in the morning. I had lunch with my friends. And I watched a video on YouTube.